So good morning everybody, myself Acharya Vishwan, and today I am going to discuss a worksheet on the forced oscillation. So let's begin with the worksheet. So here is the worksheet on forced oscillations. So the question is, a particle is injected by driving force or damping force minus BV. Force is minus kx and an external force F0 sin omega t plus phi. Then the first question is, find net force. So net force is sum of all these forces, which comes out to be minus BV minus kx plus F0 sin omega t plus phi. Then we need to find acceleration. So acceleration is net force divided by mass. So this will be the expression for acceleration. Then we need to find equation of motion. So equation is x is a sin omega t plus phi dash. Then we need to find x. It is a sin omega t plus phi dash as calculated earlier. Then we need to find amplitude. Amplitude is F0 by m divided